It's that time of month again where I bleach my roots, which I already did off camera. Figured no one needed to see that again for the 1000th time. And now we're going to dye it with this Chi Ionic Shine Shades Extra Light Iridescent Blonde Plus. I got this from Sally Beauty. So I already mixed it up. Looks like an orange booger. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and let's just start applying it. Let's not waste any more time. Gonna start from the top, work our way down in layers. Probably get my gloves on first. One good thing about this is it doesn't really have much of a smell to it, so that is great. I am doing so much better this time around with sectioning out my hair. I'm normally terrible at that, but I've gotten better. I am halfway through right now, and parts of it are turning purple. The dye in the bowl turned purple. I don't know if I mentioned, but I kind of forgot what color this is supposed to be. I think it's just supposed to be like a bright, light, white color. Did I say that already? I don't remember. I am going to have to mix some more up because I'm running out. But 1 ounce to 1 ounce got me halfway through my head, so I'll just mix the rest of the Chi up. And I did measure it with the scale, by the way. You might need a scale or just eyeball it if you trust yourself. But I think I'm going to use the rest of the Chi and then measure out the developer. Also, I'm going to cut my hair after I'm done with this. So I'm not really focusing that much on the ends because I think I'm going to take like ½ an inch to 1 inch off. The back is obviously the hardest part. It's kind of sad. Do my best though. I take back what I just said. I decided I really didn't need that much extra, but I did do another 1-to-1 ratio and I got plenty left over. There's still some Chi left in here. It's apparently 3 ounces, but I don't know about that. Doesn't feel like there's an ounce left. But I did use 2 ounces of the Chi, 2 ounces of the Salon Care Developer, and there's still plenty left over. My hair is short, so if hair's longer, you might need 2 ounces. I'm glad I didn't use the whole bottle, though. Probably should have only used half of what I did. So this is what it's looking like right now. We're going to wait 30 minutes, and then we're going to wash it out. We're going to hope for the best. Okay, I don't know what color it's exactly yet because it needs to dry first, but while it's drying, I'm gonna cut it, trim it up a little bit. Maybe I was wrong about it being a pale white. Like I said, I don't remember. And there are no pictures online. I looked. No pictures on Sally Beauty, no pictures anywhere else. I only saw the little sample hair on the shelf when I bought it. So, let's cut my hair. This is so much harder without glasses on. We're gonna put these on anyway. Oh yeah, I can actually see now. Okay, now to get this hair off me, I'd say I'm mostly done. I'll finish trimming up the bottoms when this dries more and I can see it better. It's never gonna be straight. I don't care. As long as it's passable for being passable. The lighting in the bathroom is making it look more yellow, but it's like a super pale peachy color. I came outside so you can see it in natural lighting because my bathroom lighting is a little yellow. So this is it. This is the finished color. I really like it. Kind of looks like it has a slight peachy tone to it, but I enjoy it. Someone's coming. And this is what it looks like in bathroom lighting. Someone walked outside and started talking to me, so I came back inside. Yeah, I think it looks great. I like the color. And that is that. I cut it to the length I wanted. Yay! Thank you for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.